Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to draw rectangles and polygons in MicroSurvey CAD. So we're going to start on the main viewport. First, go up to this toolbar and click Draw. If we move over here, there's this small box called Rectangle. Click it and you'll be able to draw a rectangle by specifying its opposite corners. If you want to specify the rectangle using a specific area, dimensions, or rotation, you can do so in the command window. To draw a polygon, go up to the rectangle box and click this tiny triangle right next to it. There are 3 different ways to draw a polygon, and we're going to start with center side. The first step with any polygon is to select its number of sides. I want to draw a square, so I could type 4 and hit enter, but since it's already selected, I'll just hit enter. Now I'll click where I want the center of the square to be. Notice that the corner of the square follows my cursor. To finish the drawing, click where you want the corner to be. The next polygon is the center side option. I want to draw a hexagon for this one, so I'll type 6 and hit enter. After clicking the center, notice that the middle of a side follows my cursor around. This allows me to click the bottom line so that its side is flush to it. The last polygon is the edge option. I want to draw an octagon here, so I'll type 8 and hit enter. All I have to do is draw a single line, and MSCAD will automatically draw the polygon around it. This is quite useful for instances where you only know the length and placement of a single line, but not the center. If the polygon is drawn on the wrong side of said line, simply redraw it, but switch the start and end points. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing, it really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.